What's up guys? All good? My name is Nora. In this video I will tell you everything you need to know about the InstaDoodle before you buy the product. I also have some important warnings for you, so it's extremely important that you watch this video until the end so you don't lose your money. The first point of attention is, be careful with the website where you are going to buy the product, because today this product is only sold on the official website. So to help you, I left the official website link below in the video description and also in the first comment. I'm here in the corner of the screen doing this review to tell you my experience and help you know if the InstaDoodle works. InstaDoodle is a digital tool that enables users to create doodle-style animations quickly and easily. It utilizes an AI-powered system called the Doodle AI engine, which generates animations based on user-provided text prompts. This makes it ideal for creating engaging whiteboard-style videos often used in educational content, marketing campaigns, social media posts, and explainer videos. Designed to be beginner-friendly, InstaDoodle features a simple, intuitive interface that doesn't require advanced video editing skills. Users can choose from pre-existing characters and props or upload their own images. The tool can also generate custom elements through its AI capabilities, adding a unique touch to animations. It's particularly appealing for those looking for an affordable, streamlined way to produce animations without outsourcing or using complex software. InstaDoodle's core appeal lies in its ease of use, fast output, and affordability, with options for lifetime access at an entry-level price. While it's practical for basic animation needs, some users have noted its aggressive upselling and occasional limitations with the AI image generation. Features overview. Why choose InstaDoodle? AI-powered simplicity. Generate doodle animations with a few clicks. No design or video editing experience needed. Doodle AI engine. Automatically create custom characters, props, and scenes from text prompts. Cloud-based convenience. Access and create on any device without software installations. Upload and customize. Use your own images or let the AI generate unique elements. Hand-drawn effect. Add a classic doodle touch perfect for explainer videos, educational content, and more. Benefits of InstaDoodle. Boost engagement. Captivate your audience with visually appealing, story-driven animations. Save time and money. No need for outsourcing or complex software. Everything is streamlined for quick production. User-friendly interface. Intuitive layout designed for beginners and pros alike. Affordable pricing. Secure lifetime access for just $37. No hidden fees. How it works. Input your text prompt. Describe your concept or message. Watch the AI in action. The Doodle AI engine crafts your animation. Customize as desired. Adjust animations, add text, and fine-tune your visuals. Export and share. Download your video and use it in presentations, social media, and more.